Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Asim. I'm working as DevOps engineer. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deploy a CloudFront distribution with Terraform, and we are going to do this by using the OAI, which is the Origin Access Identity User. So that is where you don't have to, make your bucket public, and it is really very secure. So if you are looking for very secure sort of deployment, and your content is static and you want to deploy in few minutes, so that would be really great if you use the Terraform. So let's begin. So what I will be doing, um, I will be creating one Terraform distribution from my through my Terraform code, and this is the backend. At the backend, we are going to create one bucket, and this is the bucket name. So, and this is the CloudFront distribution which we are going to create, and the distribution name is going to be. Let me show you guys. Okay, so the distribution name is going to be random. Where I mean that it is going as a random DNS URL. So currently I'm not setting up with a particular domain. So I will be showing you guys the purpose of this video to show you guys that how it is going to be deployed, and uh, it is going to be automatically available. And one thing I need to tell you that, let me navigate to the CloudFront distribution section, distribution one. So I have my website here. Let me navigate to the website section. So this is the website, and it is the static content with regard to the former legendary cricketer Saklan Mushtaq. So what I will be doing here, I will be once the deployment of CloudFront distribution is completed, what I will be doing, I will be using the local exec provisioner, and it is going to automatically copy my static website to that particular bucket. So currently we have one bucket at the backend. So this is the backend we are using for the our Terraform state file, but it is going to create one bucket. So if I do Terraform apply, okay, let me simply first of all remove the existing stuff. So let me do the Terraform init. So it is going to set up one backend for us. So excuse me. So then we are going to use the command Terraform applies. Let me zoom in a bit for you guys. So let it run. Um, okay, let me till then show you the script which we will be using. So this is the Terraform output which is going to be used in bash script. So in Terraform local exec provisioner, so I'm using this particular command which is going to run our script. So currently what it is doing, that it is downloading the relevant modules, and now it is done that. So if I do Terraform apply, what it does, that it will load those particular modules which we have set up for our distribution, um, and it is going to create one relevant bucket, and the bucket name is going to be, let me show you guys as well. So bucket name is going to be CloudFront Cloud Geeks distribution 1. This is required. So let me till then navigate to the section. So let me show you guys in a big screen. So what it does currently, that it is creating a CloudFront distribution, and I will be showing you guys that you don't have to set up any origin access identity. All is going to be automatically set up, and that particular bucket is going to be totally secure. So what it does, that it is currently creating that particular S3 bucket, and it is going to set up the CloudFront distribution. And once completed, our existing website code is going to be copied to that relevant bucket which we have provided. So uh, if I navigate to the CloudFront distribution section, we don't have any CloudFront distribution. So if I refresh it, you will see that it is started deploying the relevant CloudFront distribution. And if everything goes well, it is going to deploy our website, uh, and it is going to be available uh, via this DNS domain name. So as I told you in the start of the video, I'm not using any domain for that. Um, just to show you guys how you can achieve all this particular required stuff. So if I navigate to the S3 section, you will see that one more bucket is created. This is the CloudFront Cloud Geeks distribution one. So if I click this, you will if I navigate to the permission section, that currently the distribution is has uh, unblock all the public access. So uh, in this code, what I will be doing, that I will make this public totally private, and the code is going to be doing that particular stuff automatically for us. So I will show you guys the permission as well. So currently the CloudFront distribution will take some time, because all the edge location in the world, as you know, the CloudFront is the CDN service, so it will take some time as far as the deployment is concerned. So I have also added the uh, dependency as well. So um, once everything is completed, it is going to then upload the code to that particular cl- uh, to S3 bucket. So we have to wait for a while. It is still in deploying state. So let's see the status. So it is saying still deploying. It will take about 5 to 10 minutes. So let's see how much it takes with regard to that. So it is deployed. So it is taking about um 3 minutes. So what it is now doing, that our local exec provisioner is running. So this is the bash command. Let me see you that. So what it does, okay, it says website failed. So we have an issue. I have to check that. What would be that? Okay, I have a issue in regex. So I will fix it, and once it's done, I will be back with you guys. So guys, I've checked it as far as the regex is concerned in this bucket name. So let me check this as well. So it seems pretty much okay. If I use this command, it is going to, sorry, let me paste it again. So what it does, that it is definitely going to bring us the bucket name for us from the Terraform output section. So this is the Terraform output. Let me try once again. So if we have any dependency issue, that might occur, but as far as the deployment of CloudFront and S3 bucket is done. So let me navigate to that section as well. So let it refresh. So let's see. Okay, let me check the permission section as well. So currently it is not refreshed, so because some of the part is missing. So let's see what we have in missing part. So it is saying that the null resource is going to be redeployed. So what it does, that it replaces that particular null resource, because of the error we have got, because we have to um, redeploy this particular stuff. So it is started uploading the stuff, as I told you. Sometime because of some API calls that it make to that particular code. So that sometimes gives an error. So that is why we have faced this particular issue. So anyway, the regex was absolutely correct. I've checked it. So if I navigate to that particular bucket, so we should have um, at least our objects. We should be able to see our objects automatically copied to that particular bucket. So you see, local exec provision is uploading that particular code uh, in our bucket, and once everything is set up, you see bucket permission has absolutely changed because of this bucket policy automatically set up for um, CloudFront origin access identity. So we can easily access our content from outside of the world. It is a sort of proxy. So this cloud uh, front origin access identity is a proxy to your private S3 bucket. So if I navigate to this section, if I refresh it, I should be able to see that particular website which I will be deploying through my Terraform code. And you see, guys, we have successfully done that. So is in as a DevOps engineer, in case of any issues, you should not, just be frustrated or something like that. Debug the issue what it was, try to solve the problem, and you will see that our code is successfully completed, and we are able to access our bucket, and the private user is created with the name uh, with the particular ID CloudFront origin access identity. So we are able to access our content, and this is totally private bucket, and it is really secure in a way that your content is not public. So all public access is blocked here. So this user is allowed to access this content. So guys, that is it from my side. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe the channel, and share as much as you can. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.